Question number 31. A charge of minus 3 coulomb Q is given, is moved from A to B. Let us write. This is A and this is B and then back to A. Okay. It comes back like this over here. Back to A. The electric potential at A is 10 volt plus 10 volt over here, and the electric potential at B is minus 20 volt here. What is the work done moving the charge from A to B? From A to B. Very simple. So this is your V1, this is your V2. So Q into V1, V2 minus V1 will be the answer, which should now be equal to what? This is minus 3 and V2 minus 20 and minus 10 should now be equal to minus 20, minus 10 should be minus 30, minus 30 into 3 minus 3 is plus 90 joules. So this should be the answer. So then these two are incorrect. Okay. And then next is what is the work done going from A to B and what total work done? Total work done. So I started from here. This work done is already 90 joules. When it comes back over here, so what is that? B to A, work done from B to A. So how do I do this? This should be equal to, once again, Q into V2 minus V1. What is Q? Minus 3. And what is V2 here? When I am here, V2 is plus 10 here, right? Plus 10, and V1 here is minus 20. So minus of minus 20, which should now be equal to minus 3 into 10 plus 20, which is equal to minus 90, right? 30 into 3 minus 90 over here. Then what do I need? I need total work done. Total work done should be here plus 90 minus 90, which should be equal to 0. So the answer should be 0 over here. The answer is C.